Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: a VPN with UDP and low latency servers, Roblox voice chat enabled, and a stable network. Once done, launch the VPN and pick a nearby server in the same region as friends to reduce ping. Make sure you run the VPN as administrator on desktop or grant background permissions on mobile. Then open Roblox and join the game. The VPN route should now handle voice traffic. This gets you into the flow quickly. Now configure the VPN for voice. Switch to WireGuard or open VPN UDP for consistent throughput and select a server under about 100 milliseconds. Once selected, run a quick ping or speed test inside the VPN app to confirm latency and packet loss are low. Next, verify system permissions. Allow Roblox microphone access and add an exception in your firewall so voice packets aren't blocked. These steps reduce jitter and ensure the voice channel establishes cleanly after connecting. Finish by joining a voice-enabled Roblox session and speaking. Watch the in-game voice indicator to confirm audio is sent and received. If you experience echo, dropouts, or no audio, first switch to a different nearby server or alternate protocol, then restart Roblox while the VPN remains connected. Make sure any VPN extras like ad blocking or split tunneling aren't interfering. Temporarily disable them to isolate the issue. If problems persist, reconnect your modem or try Ethernet. These fixes usually clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.